What is it, bud? What's the matter?
Oh, poor dear. Poor dear. I know.
What are you going to do about it? What's the matter?
Oh, don't scratch it.
Don't scratch it, bud. What? He's okay. He's not in pain anymore. What? What are you going to do about it? What is it? Alright, out.